Meet our hero, a slim young man with messy brown hair, large expressive cartoon eyes, and soft facial features. He throws on a neon green sweatband like a warrior preparing for battle, sporting a casual workout shirt, joggers, and sneakers that haven't touched a treadmill in their entire life. Today, he's decided to work out, and inside his body, panic. The brain, usually chill and watching documentaries, suddenly launches into full-blown mission control mode. Lights flashing, sirens wailing. Departments being reactivated that haven't seen action since childhood PE class. It's mayhem. Heart rate skyrocketing. The heart itself pumps like it's trying to escape the ribcage. It hasn't worked this hard since he saw his crush in 10th grade. The lungs suck air like a pair of overworked vacuum cleaners. Wheeze in, wheeze out, they are not amused. Meanwhile, the sweat glands who've been on vacation suddenly wake up like, "Oh, we're doing this, drip, drip, splash." It's a full-on tsunami of sweat. And the muscles, let's just say they weren't invited to the meeting. Big muscle shows up, flexing, ready to lift the entire gym. Small muscle is lying in a hammock made of fat cells, sipping a protein smoothie, yelling, "I'll join tomorrow, bro." Somewhere deep in the brain's chemistry lab, dopamine kicks open the door and starts throwing party confetti. Hooray, he's moving. Quick, release the feel-good juice. One blast of motivation later, and our guy is back on the treadmill. For a whole 30 seconds. But hey, it's a start. Because when you go from 0 to push-up, your body doesn't ease into it, it freaks out. In the most dramatic, hilarious, and wonderful way possible. The next morning, our hero wakes up and immediately regrets everything. He tries to move. Nope, even blinking feels like exercise. Inside his body, Big Muscle is wrapped in bandages, dramatically groaning on a stretcher. Surrounded by ice packs and protein shakes, he's been through war, leg day war. Small Muscle is still in his hammock made of resistance bands, sipping a smoothie and rolling his eyes. He didn't lift anything yesterday. So he's totally fine, and smug about it. The brain attempts damage control, wearing a sweatband and holding a clipboard. He's giving a motivational speech while twitching slightly from delayed onset panic. Dopamine sneaks in with glitter confetti, trying to cheer everyone up. Being sore means progress. No one looks convinced, especially not the quads. The heart is dramatically pounding like it just ran a marathon. Spoiler alert, he only walked to the bathroom. The lungs wheeze like rusty bellows. Each breath sounds like a haunted accordion. They request backup oxygen immediately. Sweat is still pouring out like a broken faucet. Drip has created a mop army, trying to manage the flood, but it's a losing battle. Despite all this chaos, soreness, and internal complaints, our hero puts on his sweatband again, with wobbling legs and determination in his soul. He's going back to the gym, because even if the muscles are screaming, the journey has begun, and it's only just getting ridiculous. By week 2, the brain finally kicks into strategy mode. It's no longer just about survival. It's about adaptation. Charts are drawn, plans are made. Coffee is consumed, things are getting serious. Inside the muscle chamber, our chill Small Muscle finally gets the wake-up call. He yawns, stretches, and oh, he's actually ready to work. A transformation is brewing. Big Muscle takes the lead, turning into a full-blown personal trainer. He shouts orders while Small Muscle lifts dumbbells the size of marshmallows. It's loud, it's sweaty, it's glorious. Meanwhile, the heart is in beast mode. He's running laps, blowing his whistle, and commanding the body like a cardio general. Efficiency is the new vibe. And Max is still sore, still sweaty. But he's pushing through. He's got a team inside his body cheering him on. The real game, he's not giving up. Around day 15, the dopamine kicks in like a party guest who wasn't invited. But you're glad he came. Suddenly, workouts feel less like punishment and more like fun. The heart and sweat droplet become an elite tag team. Cardio is no longer chaos. It's a symphony of rhythm, effort, and very dramatic perspiration. Then it happens. Max hits his first personal record, The brain cheers, the muscles flex. Even the scoreboard celebrates like he just won the Olympics. Inside the lungs, it's a power show. These two puffed-up pros are sensing their breath work like it's a competitive sport. And they're winning. And the muscles, they've bonded. The big one respects the small one. The small one's finally earning his hoodie, gains, and giggles all around. After 30 days, the brain throws a full-blown victory speech. He's no longer in panic mode. He's proud, calculated, and slightly dramatic, rightfully so. The heart, he's chilling, literally. He's earned his rest, swinging in a hammock, while sweat mixes up post-workout smoothies like a beach bartender. The lungs have reached vacation mode. Breathing is effortless, oxygen delivery. Prime, even the ribcage feels like a 5-star resort. Our muscle duo now flex like a well-oiled team. Big muscle brings the hype. Small muscle brings the style. Together, unstoppable. And Max, he's not just exercising. He's thriving. 30 days ago, he struggled to lift a dumbbell. Now, he's lifting his life. 30 days ago, Max could barely finish a warm-up. Now, he wakes up ready to conquer mountains. Sometimes literally. The brain mission complete. No longer managing chaos. Just optimizing greatness. The whole crew came together. Heart, lungs, sweat, muscle, dopamine. They didn't just survive. They leveled up. And here's the thing. This wasn't magic, it was momentum. And if Max can do it, so can you. So, what are you waiting for? Your body's ready. Your team's waiting. Day 1 starts now.